Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever tried opening a website on Google Chrome, only to be met with a message that it's been blocked? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many websites are restricted by governments, internet providers, or even your school or workplace network settings. But relax, in this video, we'll walk you through how to access blocked websites in Chrome safely and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Safe Browsing. There are three options. To open blocked sites, select the third option, which is No Protection. Then go back, then tap on Always Use Secure Connections. By default, this feature is active. To open blocked sites, please disable this feature by sliding the toggle to the left. Then, please go back, and tap on Use Secure DNS. If the feature is still disabled, then enable it first. And two options will appear. Select second option, which is Choose Another Provider. Tap on drop-down menu. You'll see several options. Select on Cloudflare or OpenDNS. Those are several ways to access blocked websites using Google Chrome on Android or a computer. Pick the method that's easiest and safest for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more useful videos. See you in the next video.